Hello everyone, this is the first entry in this video blog. The idea is to present the little experiments I'm doing here as a hobbyist, mainly robots, playing with Arduino boards, Raspberry Pi and things like that. What decided me to start this video blog is a little and quick discussion on letsmakerobots.com. A very nice website where people are trying to do themselves a lot of electronics and robotic stuff. The people here are very kind, and I just wanted to show the things I'm doing, and for some of them the ideas are coming from other projects there, so thank you very much. And the first one I wanted to show you is based on a pre-built platform. Let's give a little place for the webcam. Okay, it's a four-wheel drive chassis and platform from DF Robot, which is very nice. It's in metal. It's easy to assemble. The wheels are very well done. The board on it is Arduino compatible, with the advantage to have already soldered on it enough drivers for two motors or two pair of motors like here. You have everything to plug directly the servo and here the sensors. So it's really easy to start, even if it's not complicated at the end. I started a few weeks ago, and now I understand, thanks to people on Let's Make Robots, that it's easy to do yourself things, but that's okay. And the little platform here has, for the moment, a sensor, IR sensor from Sharp to do a basic obstacle avoidance. So I have to assemble again because it was nearly finished, but I had to remove the board to show my son the dimension because he wanted to try to do his own little robots. So it's one of the future robots you will see here, if he agrees. Okay, and next I started to dig in the world of robots with legs. Humanoid was a bit too hard in my mind, and thanks to Lumi, which I really want to thank here, I saw his own robots. He's done with little piece of woods and things he gets around the desk with hot glue, and it's very with no complex. That's what I really like. You can build things very effective and very nice and very quickly. It's fun. Unfortunately, the little robots I called Sticky decided to jump alone from the desk. That's the only remaining parts. This was a leg. Here you can see there is still a servo horn glued on it. The rest was disassembled, and I wanted to play with the servo motors for our next robots. So sorry Lumi, I didn't put a board. You can't see him moving because he never moved. But the real good news is that someone gave to my wife a lot of those kind of material. I believe in English it's called paper foam board. It's a very light piece of material, but easy to cut, but still it's not flexible. So I think it's best than the balsa wood I used previously on Sticky. It was one of the reasons I had to do short legs and so on. So it's easy to cut, you can draw on it. It looks strong enough for small structures at least. So to do a small prototype, I decided to draw the pieces of the legs. So here you have two servos on the femur. Here it's planned I have to design a platform here. On the other end of the femur you will have the servo horn linked to the servo on the last part of the leg connected here. Let's call it the tibia. So I designed all this with paper and pen because for the moment I don't have enough knowledge of CAD softwares and so on. But that's the plan, because I'm pretty sure you will see in next video blog or one or two video blog a 3D printer here at home, but that's another story. So after this step, I simply cut pieces. I have a lot here, you know, little stuff like that. So just I wanted to show you just the pieces how at the end you will have the two servos. One here on the top, there will be the platform. My webcam is not in good light condition today, so it's not easy. Two pieces of wood to fix here and here the first servo. On the other hand, here you have the second servo for the next degree of liberty that you will have here for the first part of the leg, and then the last part of the leg, the tibia here, which will be connected like that. So you will have the last degree of liberty here. So I have all the pieces for the four legs. For the moment I will try a quadrupod. The plan is to have an hexapod at the end, but maybe it won't be all in paperboard form. Maybe it will be with the 3D printer if it's here. But the idea is to have the right dimension for those servos and to start working on the Arduino code and so on. So the next step that I will show you in the next video blog, I hope, will be to design the platform for the four legs robots with enough room for an Arduino board and battery. I believe I will use the Modelism battery I already had from a previous drone. Here, the best tool in the world, hot glue gun. And I hope I can already start working on the software part, waiting for the 3D printer for the hexapod, but who knows, with the paperform board I really hope to hand the quadrupod first. So see you for a next video blog, and hope we will see more interesting stuff here very soon. Bye!